Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying what Windows actually sees. First, inspect cables and power. Loose HDMI or adapter faults mimic duplicate problems. Then press Win+P and note whether duplicate is selected. This toggles mirroring quickly. Open Settings System Display and click Identify so you know which screen is which. Once done, make sure resolution and scale match for both displays to avoid automatic mirroring. These first checks remove hardware confusion and set you up for targeted fixes. Now you tackle software causes. Open Device Manager and update or roll back the display adapter driver if errors appear. GPU vendor panels, Intel/NVIDIA/AMD, can override Windows settings, so check there too. In Settings Display, select each monitor and pick the native resolution and refresh rate. Mismatches can force duplication. Expand multiple displays and explicitly choose Extend or Duplicate as you need. If GPU software shows cloning or Eyefinity settings, turn those off to return. Finish by applying and testing your choices. Reboot so drivers and display configs settle, then verify Win+P behavior. If duplication persists, swap cables and ports to rule out adapters or dock issues. Testing with a known good monitor isolates the problem. For driver corruption, boot safe mode and perform a clean driver install or use display driver uninstaller. Make sure to create a restore point before big changes so you can revert. This single precaution saves time if a fix backfires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.